Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of having more financial freedom and the ability to pursue your passions without constantly worrying about money? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 incredible side hustles that you can start immediately to unlock extra cash and take control of your finances. Whether you're saving for a down payment on your dream home, paying off debt, or just want some extra spending money, these side hustles can help you achieve your goals. Let's kick things off with freelancing, one of the most popular and flexible side hustles out there today. Imagine having the freedom to choose your own hours, work from anywhere in the world, and be your own boss. That's the beauty of freelancing. But what exactly is freelancing? Simply put, it's all about offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. The best part is you can leverage existing skills you may already have from previous jobs or hobbies. Think about it. Are you a fantastic writer? Offer your writing services to businesses in need of website content, blog posts, or marketing materials? Are you a whiz with graphic design? Help businesses create stunning logos, social media graphics, and marketing brochures. The possibilities are truly endless. And the earning potential? Let me tell you, it's huge. Freelancers in high-demand fields like web development, software engineering, and digital marketing can often command rates of $50, $100, or even more per hour. Even if you're just starting out, you can set your own rates and gradually increase them as you gain more experience and build your portfolio. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I actually get started with freelancing? Well, it's easier than you might think. First, identify your skills and what you're passionate about. Next, create profiles on popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. Be sure to showcase your skills and experience in a compelling way, highlighting your unique strengths. Once you have your profile set up, start browsing for projects that align with your skill set and interests. When you find a project that sparks your interest, submit a well-crafted proposal outlining your qualifications and why you're the perfect fit for the job. Don't get discouraged if you don't land your first few gigs right away. Persistence is key in the world of freelancing. Keep refining your profiles, submitting proposals, and networking with potential clients. Trust me, the effort is well worth it. Now, if you're passionate about education and helping others succeed, online tutoring could be your perfect side hustle. With the rise of online learning, the demand for qualified tutors has skyrocketed, creating an incredible opportunity for anyone with expertise in a particular subject. The beauty of online tutoring is that it allows you to connect with students from all over the world, right from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a math whiz, a science guru, or a history buff, there are students out there who are eager to learn from you. And let's talk earnings, because who doesn't love making extra money? Online tutoring platforms typically allow you to set your own hourly rates, which can range from $20 to $50 per hour, or even more depending on your experience, subject matter, and the platform you choose. Speaking of platforms, there are tons of great options available to aspiring online tutors. Platforms like Schooly, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors connect you with students seeking help in a wide range of subjects. You can also explore specialized platforms focusing on specific areas like test prep or English as a second language, ESL. Getting started with online tutoring is fairly straightforward. Simply create a profile on one or more platforms, highlighting your qualifications, experience, and teaching style. Be sure to emphasize your passion for education and your genuine desire to help students succeed. Once your profile is live, start browsing for tutoring opportunities that align with your expertise. When you find a good match, reach out to the student or their parents to schedule a session. Remember, communication is key in online tutoring. Be responsive, reliable, and always strive to create a positive and supportive learning environment for your students. For all you creative souls out there, selling handmade products online could be your ticket to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Imagine turning your passion for crafting, painting, jewelry making, or any other creative pursuit into a thriving online business. That's the power of the maker movement. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade have made it easier than ever for artisans and creators to connect with a global audience of eager buyers. Whether you're creating one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces, hand-poured candles, or custom-designed t-shirts, there's a market for your unique creations. The beauty of selling handmade products is that you have complete control over your brand, your products, and your pricing. You get to set your own creative vision, source the highest quality materials, and determine the true value of your craftsmanship. Plus, there's something incredibly rewarding about seeing someone fall in love with something you've poured your heart and soul into creating. It's a feeling that goes far beyond just making a sale. So how do you get started? First, identify your niche and what sets your products apart from the competition. Are you using sustainable materials? Do you offer a unique design aesthetic? Once you have a clear understanding of your brand identity, create high-quality product photos and write compelling descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your creations. Next, choose the right platform for your business. Etsy is a great option for beginners, offering a user-friendly interface and a built-in audience of shoppers looking for handmade goods. If you're looking for more control over your brand and customer experience, Shopify might be a better fit. Amazon Handmade is another popular option, offering access to Amazon's massive customer base. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to create high-quality products that you're proud to share with the world. In today's on-demand economy, ride-sharing and delivery services have exploded in popularity, offering a flexible and potentially lucrative side hustle for anyone with a car and a few spare hours. If you enjoy driving, meeting new people, and exploring your city, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Grubhub, and Instacart connect drivers with passengers or customers looking for food or grocery deliveries. The beauty of these platforms is that you're in complete control of your schedule. Work a few hours in the evenings, on weekends, or whenever it's convenient for you. The earning potential for ride-sharing and delivery drivers can vary depending on factors such as location, time of day, and demand. However, many drivers report earning a decent hourly rate, especially during peak hours or when surge pricing is in effect. Getting started with ride-sharing or delivery services is typically a straightforward process. Simply download the app for the platform you're interested in, create a driver profile, and complete the required background checks and vehicle inspections. Once you're approved, you can start accepting rides or delivery requests right away. One of the great things about these platforms is that they offer a steady stream of potential customers, eliminating the need to find your own clients. Plus, you'll enjoy the flexibility of being your own boss and setting your own hours. Just remember to factor in expenses like gas, tolls, and vehicle maintenance when calculating your earnings. It's also important to prioritize safety and follow all traffic laws while driving for these platforms. Now, if you're looking for a side hustle with low startup costs and the potential for passive income, print on demand might be right up your alley. This innovative business model allows you to create and sell custom-designed merchandise without having to handle any inventory or shipping. Here's how it works. You create unique designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, or any other number of products. Then, you partner with a print-on-demand platform that handles the printing, fulfillment, and shipping of your products whenever a customer places an order. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble connect you with a wide range of suppliers and printing partners, allowing you to choose from a vast selection of products and printing options. The best part is, you only pay for the printing and shipping costs when an order is placed, eliminating the risk of holding on to unsold inventory. This makes print on demand a highly accessible business model, even if you don't have a lot of upfront capital. Plus, it offers the potential for passive income, as you can continue to earn royalties from your designs long after you've created them. To get started with print on demand, you'll need to create an account with a platform like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble. Once you've created your account, you can start designing your products using the platform's design tools or by uploading your own designs. When creating your designs, it's important to consider your target audience and what kind of designs they would be interested in purchasing. Conducting market research and identifying trending niches can help you create products that resonate with your target customers. So there you have it, 5 incredible side hustles that you can start immediately to unlock extra cash and take control of your finances. Whether you're passionate about freelancing, online tutoring, selling handmade products, ride-sharing, or print on demand, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. Remember, the key to success with any side hustle is to choose something you're passionate about, put in the hard work, and stay committed to your goals. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different side hustles until you find the perfect fit for your skills, interests, and lifestyle. And most importantly, have fun along the way. Building a successful side hustle should be an exciting and rewarding journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance, side hustles, and entrepreneurship. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.